Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm finna be showing you guys how to do a frontal wig install. Now I got this wig off AliExpress. I will insert the information at the end. I honestly did not like this wig. One, the lace was super thick, the knots was hard to bleach, the hair kind of tangled easily, and it was like very dry feeling even after I washed it, conditioned it, and wetted. This is how it looked after I bleached the knots, and you can kind of see the knots still, but I was getting aggravated with trying to keep re-bleaching them, whatever. Now here's the install process. Another problem I had with this wig was the fit. The wig was basically pulling to the bike. So what I did was cut the frontal part from the trikes or whatever, and then I installed it that way. A lot of times you can install wigs that's too small, but you can tell the difference from a wig that's too small and the wig that just made kind of funny. Wigs are supposed to be laid on your head flatly, like y'all, where it match up with your hairline, all of that. It's not supposed to be pulling like that. When you have a wig that pull like that, usually it caused the wig not to last that long because it's putting tension and stress on the area, like where the glue is at, basically. Now to get to this oh wait y'all, another thing I didn't like was that the frontal hairs was so much shorter than the tracks, because you can tell, like you can see it, and it's like even worse when it's dry. But I'm gonna deal with it. I'm gonna suck it up because I gotta go to Tally this weekend. But I use 12 in the cream Ruby Kisses foundation, and I use the darkest one in that. Now what you see me do with that little piece right there, see if it's going to blend in with my skin. It is. Now y'all, the color is a little light for my skin. I should have went with like shade 13 or 14. But since I didn't, I'm finna show y'all how to fix it. Like, if y'all like real subby, you'll know one of my videos I told y'all, probably more than one of them, I can't even remember. But you know, I tell y'all all the time that the holding spray makes the lace a darker color, and I'm finna show y'all what I mean. Again, got the lace tape from the hair store, and y'all, okay, let me tell y'all about this glue. So I caught myself trying to use another glue because I was waiting on my glue from Get Laid by Vivica to get here. Like, so I used some glue I found. It was Ghost Spun Platinum. Yeah, I did 3 layers of the glue on top of my lace tape, and it did not stick. Like, I don't know if it was just, I don't know what it was. I prepped my skin beforehand. Like, y'all, it's a little glowing off my lashes, so I just wiped it off with alcohol, whatever. Y'all see, that's the glue stuck on my forehead still. But y'all, it's done been plenty of times where I done put glue on top of glue and it still stuck like it went no tomorrow. But anyway, I put 4 layers on there, I want to say, but I didn't put them all on off camera. And then you're going to see me laying the wig right here. Y'all, the wig, it came up so easy. So what I ended up doing was going back in with the Goat Glue by Damien Flagler. I think I said that. Y'all, I'm so sorry if I messed up your name, because y'all know I can't talk anyway. But I ended up putting 2 layers of that on there. And then I'm finna kind of show y'all how I laid it down. Now, another mistake I made, I guess I didn't cut it enough, because when I did get ready to lay the glue that very last time, I kind of had too much lace on one side, but I ended up cutting a little bit more of it off. And y'all, let's see how I finessed it, basically. I ain't even got to explain to y'all. It's going to end up looking good, though. For it to have this super thick lace and the knots not to be bleached like they should, I still feel like I did a good job. Right here is what I'm talking about with all the extra lace. But I mean, I'm not gonna be one of them YouTubers that just show y'all all the good. Y'all finna see the bad. Like, honestly, when I said I didn't want to post this video, but I still had to give y'all some affordable hair videos. And then I had, like, y'all, this is actually a company to watch. I don't want to say watch out for, because it could have just been that I got a bad wig. But I'm gonna still put the videos out for y'all. I'm gonna just tell y'all my honest opinion. I'm not finna lie about something, because I'm not finna have y'all spending y'all money on something and it ain't worth it, because y'all ain't finna be going back and forth with y'all because y'all spent y'all money on some trash. Now here I'm just putting on some darker makeup on my lace, and that's Ruby Kisses in the level 15. I'm using the darkest one in that shade. So then, y'all, I don't know about makeup, I'm gonna be real. I just found stuff that's closer to my skin. But that one I just held up right there, put that on my lace too, because it was a little dark. But I'm finna show you how to fix it now. It's a lot of sitting, because like each time I sprayed some spritz on my head, I just sat for a good 15 minutes with nothing on there. And y'all see I didn't even let the glue dry all the way. But I'm still finna finesse it, and it's still finna have a tight hold after you sit it down and wrap it or whatever. But I'm gonna let y'all watch it because I know I'm talking too much. Y'all got two shame right there. I really burnt my forehead and kept trying to go. Like, ugh. And y'all, these baby hair, it was simple baby hair. I ain't really going deaf about it. Like, just super simple, super easy. And then after this, to get that rain to go away, spray it again with some more spritz and tie it right back down. For the edges, I use Got to Bead and sprayed them with spritz and tied them down. Now, the $1 million question I'm always getting is, what do you do to the back of the wig? Me personally, I don't do nothing. I just tuck the comb under my braids and call it a day. For my clients, some of them be wanting it sewed down, some of them don't. It's really up to them. Like, are you doing this sewing the wig to the back of your, to the back of your head, where your braids at? Or you can just leave it be. Then you got some people who glue them down. I personally do not like glue. One, it don't last that long. And two, that it gets aggravating having glue at the back of your head. But it's really up to you. Now, right now, all I'm finna do is go off camera and wet the hair down some, y'all. Like, I use Tresemme conditioner with this, I think. Because when I washed it with the Pantene, I ain't like how it turned out. So I tried to use it with Tresemme in it. It was alright. Could have been better, but again, it's alright. Now, this how I look when I got finished. And I hope y'all like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to make sure I insert the info right here for y'all about where I got the wig from. And then I'm going to insert the TikTok and some pictures at the end. Hey y'all, so this is the AliExpress wig install. The wig was only $150, something like that. I can't remember. It was under $200. Now, the whole video of me installing it will be on my YouTube channel. I just wanted y'all to see. And I'm finna insert the price and the company I got it from. I ain't really like it, but it got the job done for the weekend. And y'all let me know if y'all go buy it and tag me if y'all do the installs and put it on TikTok. Make sure y'all go subscribe to my YouTube channel also, so y'all can get the full review on this house, so y'all can see what I did and didn't like about it.